this episode of MGUY, we're going to try and find out what kind of exhaust my R8 has. So for those of you that are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. This is my beautiful 2010 R8 V10. I've got a back catalogue of about 140 videos featuring a Maserati Gran Turismo, this Audi R8, a crazy Mercedes CL65 with a V12 engine, and a beautiful SL55, which I've only just picked up. So it'd be great to have you as a subscriber. So those of you who've been following my channel for a while will know that this Audi R8 V10 has an amazing sound. Now the stock R8s had a great sound as well, but this one I think is a little bit special. And I'm pretty sure it has an aftermarket exhaust, although I haven't been able to work out what it is. So with the help of this endoscope and some research on the internet, I'm hoping that we're going to be able to work out what it is. Or if not, maybe one of you guys can tell me when we've seen the images from inside the car. So just looking at the inside of the rear of the car here, we can see that there are obviously two pipes, and they both come down to the exhaust outlet here. One of them is definitely larger than the other slightly, so the right hand one or the outside one is slightly larger than the other. And the first thing that we notice is that there's no obvious sign of any kind of exhaust valve. So the standard R8 has an exhaust valve which opens automatically above a certain rev range. That does not look to be present, so I'm pretty certain that this is not a stock exhaust. The other reason I can be almost certain that this isn't a stock exhaust is that the stock design is this rather ungainly hunk of metal, which is rather unattractive to look at and rather bulbous in design, so it's clearly not this one. This is like a Wi-Fi endoscope that just creates a little Wi-Fi network, and I can just connect to it with my phone, and then you get a picture of the what the camera sees on your phone, which is rather cool. So I haven't been able to find any specific identifying marks on this exhaust, which is a bit annoying, but there's a few things which I can use to narrow it down a bit. Firstly is that these pipes have a joint here before they go into the muffler system. The other feature that you can use is that one of them is narrower than the other, so they have a different diameter each one. They both go into a central muffler, which is here, which is difficult to see, but it looks kind of oval shaped. The other thing that's distinctive is this, if you can see here, this diagonal strut that is supporting the muffler system here. So it's kind of got an X design on it. So looking at the features, we've got two unequal sized pipes, we've got no valves, we've got a single muffler in the center here. We have the joints on the pipes just a few inches back either side from the muffler, and we have the diagonal cross members which attach it to the rear frame of the car. So I've got a guess at what it might be, but I'm going to go and do some more research on the internet, and you're going to come with me. So this is what I think the exhaust on my R8 is. Looking at the features here, we've got the differently sized exhaust pipes. We have the joints in the middle of the pipes here. We've got a kind of oval muffler system, centrally mounted. We've got a kind of X-shaped mounting posts on either side with holes in. That aligns with what I saw on the endoscope camera footage. So in conclusion, it is a Tubi. which is good because I think they're pretty well regarded aftermarket exhausts, and it does sound amazing. So very happy with that. So let's go and test it out. So the result of this video is that we've discovered that we actually have a Tubi exhaust on this car. Look, I'm 99% sure. The design seems to fit, all the various elements come together, and it's the only one that really looks like what I've got in the back there. So that's a result, because Tubi exhausts are awesome. And that really goes to show that that this is definitely not a stock sound. And we'll just do a bit of tunnel blasting just to remind ourselves of how amazing this exhaust sounds. Here we go, tunnel coming. Oh man, that sounds just awesome. Oh, God, I love this car. The good thing about this particular exhaust though is that although it is loud, it's not drony at all. So I've done long journeys in this car when I've been you know, sitting on the freeway for several hours, and it's not a bother at all. It is very it's noticeable. You hear the sound, but it's not like it's intrusive and disturbing. So pretty good all-round exhaust. Very happy. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. If you've got any experience with these kind of exhausts on the R8, let me know what you think of the Tubi. Do you think it's a good one, or do you think there are better options out there? No plans to upgrade this one at the moment, but who knows, at some point in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like. It would be great to have you as a subscriber. Hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram at mguy.tv or Twitter at mguy_TV. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.